Hello folks, welcome to the channel. First of all, I'm Don, this is Rockin' the Country. This is the second song that I heard a snippet of on Dark Winds, which was a Netflix special. It was 2 seasons long, 6 episodes per season. I liked it. It was set on the Navajo Indian Reservation, and but this is Neil Young's song, Birds, and I just heard a tiny snippet. I said, man, I could do that for the channel. But I did a Bob Dylan song. I don't know. I'm recording them all on the same day. They haven't posted yet. But I don't know if Bob Dylan's got blocked, and I don't know if Neil's will get blocked, because Bob's stuff had frequently gotten blocked, and Neil's almost always got blocked when I did it. I've gotten able to do like 1 or 2 of Neil's, and I love his stuff. Singer-songwriter, folk type stuff. We're going to find out. So let's see what Neil's got for us with this song, Birds. I think I remember this piano.
Lover, there will be another one who'll hover over you beneath the sun. Tomorrow, see the things that never come today. When you see me fly away without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and show you the way to go. It's over.
Wow.
It's over. Nestled in your wings, my little one is special. Morning brings another sun. Tomorrow, see the things that never come today.
Today, how does he put
When
that
you
in there?
see me fly away without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and show you the way to go.
Inspiration.
It's over. It's over.
Shit. Is that about the end of a relationship? Like the bird shadows, it flies away, shadows over things you know, feathers fall around you. It's showing you the way to go. But it's over. Man, I'd have to see this laid out. I mean, Bob Dylan's song was deep as they are. Neil's, this one was maybe the deepest one I've heard, just because there are so few lyrics, and yet the meaning is escaping me. And maybe not. Maybe I have it right, but I'm not confident. That beautiful piano in this. Neil's was acoustic guitar. I mean, Bob Dylan's was acoustic guitar, and Neil's here was on the piano. Man. And now, of course, I have the imagery of the final of Dark Winds of the final season that I was watching, and I know what this is relating to. So that's informing me, but it's over. Goodness, was this song originally about a breakup? I don't know. And I don't think Neil wrote this for the series. I think this came out, this was on his After the Gold Rush album, which came out decades ago, and the Netflix thing just only came out a couple of years ago, I think. Nobody requested this, but I'm going to rate it. And the beauty, the intrigue, oh, the whole everything, just the number that popped into my head was a 9.2. Once he said the shadow, the bird cast a shadow as it leaves. It's like, whoa, there's depth in that. So that's it, folks. Just wanted to do that one. It was beautiful. I hope it doesn't get blocked. If you're seeing this, it didn't. Have a great day. I'll see you on another video. Keep rocking the country.
Lover, there will be another one who'll hover over you beneath the sun.